on PS4, PS5, or PC. Fix: Destiny 2 won't launch, crashing at startup. 1. Restart your system. Fully shut down your PS4, PS5, or PC, not rest mode. Unplug for 1 minute, reconnect, and launch Destiny 2 again. 2. Check for game and system updates. On PS4, PS5, go to Destiny 2, press Options. Select Check for Update, then go to Settings, System Software Update. On PC, Steam, right-click Destiny 2 Properties, Updates, Epic Games, go to Library, click 3 dots, Manage Updates. And 3. Rebuild database, PS4, PS5 only, fixes corrupted data. How to: 1. Turn off console fully. 2. Hold power until you hear 2 beeps, safe mode. 3. Plug in controller via USB. 4. Select Rebuild database. 4. Verify game files, Steam, right-click Destiny 2 Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Epic Games, go to Library, click 3 dots on Destiny 2, click Verify. Clear cache. On PS5, go to Settings, Save Data and Game App Settings. Delete corrupted temporary files. On PC, press Windows R, type sent at app data sent. Delete Bungie or Destiny 2 cache folders under app data local. 6. Disable overlays and background apps PC only. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, or GeForce Experience. Close Razer Synapse, MSI Afterburner, etc. 7. Reinstall Destiny 2. If none of the above works, delete Destiny 2 from your device. Restart system, reinstall from your platform store. 8. Check Bungie server status. Visit /helpbungie.net if PCOs lag, or check at Bungie help on time or updates. Twitter about downtime or updates. Extra for PC. Update GPU drivers and VMD. Run game as administrator. Make sure DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables are up to date.